Everyone I worked with at Collectiv were subject matter experts. They were not trying to be all things to all people. They knew what their expertise was, it was deep, and I specifically wanted to hire Collectiv for that level of experience in that space. I work at Avison Young, a global commercial real estate services firm. I'm a principal and I lead our portfolio analytics and business intelligence team. Our job is to work directly with clients, brokers, and use data analytics, business intelligence to really enable better real estate service delivery through data, insights, and advanced analytics. Our client had asked us to develop a set of financial management dashboards on top of their enterprise accounting system. Basically help them manage and track budgets, costs related to a multi-million-dollar, multi-year real estate construction project. Classic legacy reporting tools don't meet the requirements and certainly don't meet the expectations of their users. Right? We needed better tools to manage the ongoing budgets and financial management of a project. I knew I wanted to find a subject matter expert specific to Power BI for this project. And from there, took 2 or 3 interviews and just really felt Collectiv was the right fit for this project. Working under consulting as a service really helped me feel like I could get subject matter expertise and knowledge when I needed it. When I started this project, for example, I didn't have a full understanding of the scope and complexity from the client. I just knew the client was demanding that we start working on the project. And with that, I knew the sort of scalability and flexibility of that model was quite attractive to me. I personally really appreciate consultants as people that bring experience of problem solving across multiple clients and multiple projects. Working with a company like Collectiv as well, where there's a whole team of subject matter experts and resources, made me feel like we were building this right from the ground up. By moving away from the legacy reports onto these Power BI dashboards, we saw adoption and usage double, and we've also seen users specifically and proactively ask to get access for the data. So we've seen growth and adoption. People can manage costs, stay on budget, on task, and manage expectations.